Hello dear students, I am Gaurav William Manfront in front of you. I am from the Cambrian school. So today again we have an experiment, and this is experiment number 9 of class 12 physics. And the aim of the practical is that to find the value of V for different values of U in case of a concave mirror and to find the focal length. Now apparatus require an optical bench with uprights, one mirror holder, two needles, concave mirror, a cutting needle and a meter scale. And according to theory, we know that according to mirror formula, 1 upon F is equal to 1 upon V plus 1 upon U, where V is equal to distance between pole to image, and U is equal to distance between pole of mirror to object pin. Okay, so according to this formula, we can get 1 upon F is equal to UV upon V plus U, or reciprocal of focus F is equal to V plus U. I think there is a mistake, so correct it again. The LCM of this is VU upon U plus V. Okay, so its reciprocal will be VU upon U plus V. So with the help of these operators, we can find focal length of given concave mirror. So now come on operators. So the operators are required for this practical. First is optical bench. This is optical bench. This is 2 needle, 1 concave mirror. This is concave mirror. Okay, and this is a holder. So these operators are required for the practicals. Now the mirror and needle on the top of this stand. Okay, so in initial condition, firstly we have to find focal length of this given concave mirror, and this is a rough focal length. Okay, this is not actual, but this is a rough focal length. So firstly we have to find a rough focal length with the help of this paper sheet. But how can we find? So let's come. This is the screen. This is a white screen. This is a white screen, and this is a mirror. So we have to find here image of the window which is in front of this concave mirror. Okay, so slide it slowly. After sliding this, we are looking that there is a image which is coming on the sheet. Okay, and this is actual image. And now look that this distance is at 40, means at 40 centimeter there is a very clear image has formed on this paper sheet which is from the window. So its rough focal length is 10 centimeter. So in this observation table, rough focal length of concave mirror is 10 centimeter. Okay, so now I have set this pin in the holder. This pin is known as object pin, and this is image pin. Why? Because image of this object pin will perform at this point. Okay, that's the reason this pin is known as image pin, and this needle or pin is known as object pin. Now we have to set these pins. Okay, but how? So we have to set these pins like that both should be on perpendicular to each other, and there should be no parallax. Means they should be moved together. Okay, so now we have to set here. So firstly, focal length 10 centimeter. It means its radius of curvature is 20 centimeter. Okay, its radius of curvature is 20 centimeter, and first situation we have to set object needle between center of curvature and focus. So its center of curvature is at 30 centimeter. Why? Because mirror is set at 50 centimeter. So from 50 centimeter, its 20 centimeter will be at 30. Okay. So this is the 30 centimeter is the center of curvature of this mirror. So now we have to set our object needle between focus and center of curvature. So its focus is 10 centimeter, means 20 from the 50 to 20 is 10 centimeter, and from 40 to 30 is also 10. So so between 40 and 30 I have taken a point, that is 35. So 35 is the position at which I have set this object. Now fill the reading. So according to reading, position of mirror is at 50 centimeter, I told, and object is at 35 centimeter. Okay. So this is, suppose that this is point P and object is object. Okay. So we know that distance from the object pin to position of mirror, means to P, is U. So 50 minus 35 is 15 centimeter. So 15 centimeter is the value of small u, means distance from the object to the mirror, means you can say pole of mirror. Now we have to find V. So how can we find V? V is the distance of image from the mirror to the image. Okay. So now set this needle. We have to set this needle, but how can we set? This is the thing which we have to know. Okay. So now set this pin like this. That tip of image of the other pin should be at the tip of this image needle. Okay, and there should be no parallax method. So now I have set it like this, that there is no parallax. Look this, I think image has formed. Okay. After moving this camera, we are looking that there is no parallax between the image needle and image of object in the mirror. Okay. It means that this is corrected value. Okay. Look, that there is no parallax. So now write down the value of image needle, and we are looking that its reading is, this is 20 and this is 25.5. Okay. So write down its value, that is 25.5. Okay. So now we can find F. So F is equal to U. U is 15 and V is 25.5 and U plus V. Now solve this. So after solving this, you will get U plus V. You can put that 15 plus 25.5. So 15 into 25.5 is 382.5 upon, now add 15 plus 25.5. So you will get 40.5. Now divide this. So after dividing this, you will get 382.5 divided by 40.5. So you will get 9.44. So this is the first reading. We have found its rough focal length 10 centimeter and according to the experiment its value is 9.44. So I think this is so near. Okay, now again we have to perform our second reading. So we have to set position of mirror, it will not change. Okay, now we should change position of so change it only to 2 centimeter. So it is at 35, so set it at 2 centimeter only. So this is 1, okay, and this is 2 centimeter. So now we have to again set its parallax. So again slide it slowly. So now again I have set it successfully. You can look this. Okay, after moving this is after moving the mirror camera, there is no parallax. It means that this value is correct. So now again write down its reading. So U is 35.2. okay, 35.2 is the value of U, 35.2 centimeter, and U. Now subtract from 50. Subtract 50 minus 35.2. So after solving this, you will get 14.8. This is U. And now we have to find position of V. So how can we find? So this is the position of image, because this is image needed. So its position is 25.6. okay, so write down its reading, that is 25.6. okay, now find again F. So F is equal to 15 means U, and U is 14.8 into V. V is 25.6 upon 14.8 into 25.6. So now the value is 378.88. 378.88. Now divide it from 14.8 बेटा यहाँ प्लस कर लीजिए, because this is 14.8 plus 25.6. So you will get 40.4. So now again solve this. So divide 378.88 from 40.4. From 40.4, 40.4. So you will get 9.37. So this is again very near to 10 centimeter. Now we can again find value of same focal length, that is third reading, that it will be third reading and fourth reading. Now you can move object pin. After moving this pin, you can get V for different values. So find its third reading and fourth reading from the apparatus, and after this find mean value. This is 2 value, ठीक है. तो हम now we are going to find mean of this 2 value, but you can calculate, you can find 4 reading, because there should be minimum 4 readings for the practicals. So you have to find 4 reading with the same method. So now I am going to find its mean value by only 2 values. So after solving this, I have got 9.40 centimeter. So this is the focal length of given mirror. It means that this is the mirror, concave mirror, and its focal length is 9.40. This is very close to 10 centimeter, means you can say this is 10 centimeter focal length of mirror. Okay. So one thing again I want to say that you can also plot graph between u and v, and you can also find value of f from the graph, and you can also plot graph between 1 upon v and 1 upon u, and you can also find value of f from the graph. Okay. So thanks. I hope that everyone have got. So thanks to all of you for watching. Thank you.